Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best pasta makers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Imperia Pasta Maker Machine. The Imperia brand has been making pasta makers in Italy since 1932, and they are distributed by the brand CucinaPro here in the States. The brand's pasta makers are made of chrome-plated, high-quality steel and no aluminum, which means they're designed to last for a very long time. The design is highly polished with smooth edges. It has a wooden handle that's easy to grip, and the cutter attaches to the roller easily. At almost 8 pounds, this pasta maker is heavy-duty and durable. This model features a 6-setting roller, which some reviewers say is hard to adjust with one hand, but we found it simple enough once we gave it a couple of tries. It includes a metal plate to help feed pasta sheets into the roller easier, and a cutter for spaghetti and fettuccine. Additional cutters and ravioli molds are also available for purchase. Features: traditional pasta roller lets you make the freshest pasta you've ever tasted right at home. Made of heavy-duty, shiny chrome-plated steel. 6-inch wide roller with double cutter head that makes thin spaghetti and wide fettuccine noodles. Easy lock adjustment dial with a wood grip handle easily cranks out the dough. Made in Italy by Imperia, additional attachments for a variety of noodle shapes available separately. Number 2. Second best pick is CucinaPro Manual Pasta Maker Deluxe Set. Modeled after the classic Imperia Pasta Maker, this version is made with aluminum, which is cheaper, lighter, and less polished. While it's not as smooth as some of our other recommendations, it comes with numerous attachments so you can give other pasta making a try without spending more money. It offers 9 thickness settings via a knob that pulls out and rotates. Reviewers on Amazon boast that it's easy to use. Features: includes hand crank, countertop table clamp and cleaning brush. Includes 3 attachments that will make 5 different types of noodles: lasagne, fettuccine, angel hair, spaghetti or ravioli. Made of durable chrome-coated steel. Pasta machine acts as a dough roller. Use the hand crank for adjustable thicknesses to get your pasta just right. Features great quality and makes a great gift for those who love authentic homemade Italian cooking. If you have any issues, please contact our customer service. Number 3. Third best pick is MARCATO Atlas 150 Pasta Machine. This model is made in Italy and made of high-quality steel, and 10 thickness settings give you more versatility depending how you like your pasta. The settings are easy to adjust by pulling the knob and rotating it to the clearly labeled setting. You can also get up to 13 additional pasta accessories, including clearly labeled cutters and a motor to transform the manual pasta maker into an electric pasta maker. Want to make a statement? This pasta maker comes in fun colors like blue, green, and red. Features: this machine rolls and cuts pasta dough for traditional lasagna, fettuccine, and tag at home. Made in Italy from chrome-plated steel, includes pasta machine, pasta cutter, hand crank, clamp. Rolls sheets of dough to 150 mm wide at 10 thicknesses, 0.6 to 4.8 mm, for consistent texture, cook time, and taste. Atlas 150 is not dishwasher safe. Easily attach the pasta drive motor and any of the 12 pasta cutting accessories, sold separately. Called the Ferrari of the pasta machine world by Cooks Illustrated, wipe with a dry brush or cloth. Material type: nickel-plated steel, chrome-plated steel, ABS. Number 4. Fourth best pick is KitchenAid Gourmet Pasta Press with 6 plates. KitchenAid's pasta press also attaches to the front of the brand's stand mixer, but instead of long strands of pasta, the attachment allows for rounded/tubular shapes, like ziti, to be made. We're particular fans of this model because of its included cutter. Some others require you to use a knife, whereas this one takes the grunt work out of it. Features: 6-piece set, made from durable, chrome-plated metal. Allows you to make fresh spaghetti, bucatini, rigatoni, fusilli, large or small macaroni simply by changing the pasta disc. Built-in wire pasta cutter gives complete control over the noodle length. Easy storage case neatly holds all parts and accessories in place. Includes a stainless steel cleaning tool. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Philips Compact Pasta and Noodle Maker. Of all the Philips pasta makers we tested, this is the one we recommend the most highly. It has a small footprint but still makes about 2 to 3 servings of pasta at a time in 18 minutes. It also has a see-through compartment so you can keep an eye on the dough when it's mixing and know when it's ready. This pasta maker comes with 3 dies to make penne, spaghetti, and fettuccine. It also comes with a colored recipe book to teach you how to make all types of pasta. When we tested this model, we found that it was easy to add liquid without overflowing, thanks to the numerous long slits on the door that allow more liquid to pass through at a time. Features: automatically kneads and extrudes 2 to 3 servings of fresh pasta in just 18 minutes thanks to a uniquely designed stirring bar. Cord length, 40 inches. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.